Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce Japanese popular dish, omurice. Omurice is seasoned rice covered with fluffy egg. This is the request menu from my viewers. Thank you so much. Actually, there are so many recipes of omurice, but today's recipe is very simple and common. I'll use ketchup rice. This rice is also tasty. I hope you enjoy Japanese omurice at your home. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll make Japanese ketchup rice. Today I use a chicken and some vegetables. This is 250 grams of chicken thigh. I trim off the skin and fat off. Okay. Generally, chicken is uneven, so I cut the thick part. Then I use it to fill in the thin area. Okay. I sprinkle the salt to the tray entirely and place the chicken on it. Salt. The tip is to put the salt evenly. Okay. I let the stand for 30 minutes at room temperature. Next, vegetables. Today I use onion, carrot, and bell pepper. First, onion, which is grown in Hokkaido. I use about 80 grams. I make a series of vertical cuts at 5 mm intervals. Okay, I turn it and make horizontal cuts from the bottom. Good. At last, I chop down through the onion into small dices. Okay, like this. Next, carrot, which is grown in Kumamoto Prefecture. I peel off the skin and cut it into small dices as well. I cut the carrot into 5 mm thick slices. Okay, and cut it into 5 mm strips. Nice, I turn them. Finally, cut these strips into small dices. Okay. At last, green bell pepper, which is grown in Ibaraki Prefecture. I cut it into half and remove the top and seeds. Nice, cut it into small dices as well. The tip is to cut the vegetables into same sizes. Okay, I've done cutting all vegetables. Beautiful. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Next, I'll grease the chicken. Turn on the heat and put the olive oil and spread it. Once the pan is heated, I place the chicken and put the pressure on it to sear the skin even and crispy over low heat. This is important, and it is a good way to use a plate as well. Put the pressure from above for about 5 minutes. Spread the oil and fat below the chicken to sear the skin like frying. The trick to making the skin crispy is to sear the skin side for 10 minutes without turning it over. I keep searing the chicken over low heat. 10 minutes later, I remove the plate and I check it. If the skin is nice brown, I turn it over. Beautiful. I cook the flesh side for 2 minutes. Okay, I turn off the heat and remove the chicken from the pan. Good. Next, I'll stir fry the vegetables using the juice of the chicken. I add the onion and carrot and stir fry them for 5 minutes over low heat. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and stir fry until the vegetables become transparent. Once they are cooked, I add the bell pepper and a pinch of salt. Stir fry them a short time to keep the crunchy texture of the bell pepper. Okay, beautiful. Then I cut the chicken into small dices. The chicken has nice roasted flavor and moist. Okay, good. I prepared the chicken and the vegetables, and this is the recipe of ketchup rice. Let's make it. I place the butter on the pan and melt it. Once the butter melts, I add the rice to the pan. I break the chunk of the rice and stir fry it. Then I add a pinch of salt, vegetables, and chicken. Okay, I mix the rice, vegetables, and chicken. This ketchup rice has lots of ingredients. You can also use mushrooms, green peas, and so on. Some people make ketchup rice without these ingredients, just rice and sauce ingredients. Once the rice and the ingredients are mixed, I move them to the far side of the pan. Then I add the ketchup and soy sauce to the vacant space and heat them. If the ketchup is heated, the taste becomes mild and rich, like this. Once the ketchup boils, mix it with the rice. Distribute the sauce evenly. I check the taste. A little bit thin, so I add a pinch of salt. And mix them again. Okay, ketchup rice is done. It is good to eat as is. I divide it into 2 bowls. Then make the egg mixture. I crack 2 eggs into the bowl, 20 grams of milk, and a pinch of salt. I beat the egg well. Okay, it's for 1 serving. Let's finish omurice. I put the olive oil and spread it. You can use butter instead of olive oil. The tip is to spread the oil evenly to prevent the egg from sticking to the pan. Please listen to the sound. One more. When the pan is heated, put all egg mixture and stir it. Inside and outside. The heat is low, not to brown the egg. The egg is half cooked. Turn off the heat, and I place the ketchup rice on the egg. The position is very important. I place the rice closer to the front side and arrange the shape. Okay, then I reheat it. Low heat and heat the rim of the egg. Great, the rim is cooked. Turn off the heat. I take the egg and put it over the rice like this, and put pressure on the egg with a spatula. Okay, do the same on the other side. If the egg is not cooked, I can do this, so it's important to cook the rim of the egg. Okay, finally, I place the plate and turn the pan over. Perfect. Beautiful. I arrange the shape of omurice beautifully. Okay, finally, I put the ketchup over it. Good. Omurice is done. It is simple and delicious. いただきます。The egg is fluffy, the chicken is juicy, the vegetables are nice crunchy. It is so delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Omurice is a very popular dish in Japan. It's loved by all generations. And this recipe is very simple and delicious. I hope you enjoy Japanese omurice at your home. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.